Hello there. Let's take a brief look now at the weather for the week ahead. There's been a lot of warm September sunshine around so far this week, despite the misty, murky starts to the mornings. But plenty of blue sky around. Some of the highest temperatures in the UK have been across northern areas of Scotland, where we got to 25 Celsius, and at Boyne in Aberdeenshire. The average for this time of year, just 17 degrees. Now let's take a look at the position of the jet stream. So here it is. It's out towards the north of the UK, just deflecting all of these low pressure systems around the area of high pressure to the north and the west. And that high is going to gradually drift its way further northwards and eastwards. Eventually, but not until the weekend, we'll see this low move in from the south. But you can see just how brisk that easterly wind is across the southern half of the UK still on Thursday. And we're starting off the day with some mist and fog patches. They'll lift and clear, and plenty of low cloud as well that will gradually burn back to these North Sea facing coasts through the afternoon, but possibly lingering here for a time. So it will be cloudy and cooler for eastern coast. Small chance for shower towards the south of England, perhaps, but mostly dry. Again, some of the highest of the temperatures, northern Scotland and southeast England in the best of the sunshine. And then on Thursday night into Friday, again, this brisk easterly wind draws in the moisture from the North Sea. So it's a rather murky start to the day with plenty of low cloud, again, some mist and fog patches in the north and west. And look at these showers develop across the southern half of England, drifting further westwards into parts of Wales through the afternoon. Some of those showers could be heavy and thundery in nature, but still it's warm for the time of year towards the south, drier, but a little cooler further north with more in the way of cloud. And we look towards the south across Iberia to see this low moving in as we head through the weekend, and that's going to bring some showers in, mostly across the southern half of the UK. Again, one or two of those showers could be heavy and thundery in nature potentially, but further north it is a largely dry story. Again, some of the best of the sunshine could be across western Scotland and down through these Irish sea coasts. There's more showers in the forecast too as we head through Saturday night and into Sunday, again mostly for the southern half of the UK, but at this stage of course do keep an eye on the forecast because things could start to change. The details still need fine-tuning of course, but most of this heavy rain will be across the south, and then that will start to drift further eastwards as we head into Monday. But these will be the day's highs on Sunday. You can see just how the temperatures have dropped. Still the low 20s, more or less the seasonal average towards the south, and of course cooler now across the north, but it should stay largely dry here still through Sunday. And then on Monday that rain is just going to curl out into the North Sea there. Again, cloudier towards the north, but largely dry here, and of course cooler now too. So temperatures ranging between 13 and 19 degrees Celsius. Let's just take a look further ahead. So into the start of next week, our rain drifts towards the north, but then this deep area of low pressure starts to edge in from the southwest. You can see the jet stream is now towards the south of the UK, and we could possibly start to draw in a northwesterly wind. So it's going to be very unsettled into next week. And if we get that northwesterly turning northerly wind, then it's also going to be feeling an awful lot cooler as well. So these are going to be the temperatures for our capital cities provisionally as we head through next week. So turning a lot cooler, particularly in exposure to that wind, unsettled, wet, very windy at times.